Top 5 Ways to Avoid Procrastination. In this presentation, I will show you the top 5 ways to avoid procrastination. First, you need to think highly of your own abilities. Too often, many people will doubt or question their own abilities and their capacity to get things done in a timely manner. They question this and they question that, thinking that what they are doing is not good enough. You need to convince yourself that you are knowledgeable in what you are doing, that other people believe in you enough to come to you for doing the task at hand. Therefore, you need to have confidence in your own abilities. This will greatly help to speed up the work you are doing. Second, you need to know that you can get things done quickly and still do quality work. Many people will doubt that they can quickly do something and still do quality work. That's why they procrastinate in getting things done. You need to convince yourself that just because you do something quickly doesn't mean it's low-quality work. You can get things done quickly and do high-quality work. Third, you need to work diligently and focus only on your work. When you are working on a task or project, you need to keep your mind focused on the task at hand and not let your mind wander. Don't think about future steps of the project, or any family issues or problems that may be going on at home. You need to put your mind squarely on the task at hand, and put your best effort and skill into that, and that alone. Fourth, you need to start projects on time, or earlier if possible. Don't be waiting until late in the time period you have to complete a project to get started on it. It does you no good to procrastinate on a project. In fact, procrastination will likely lead to a decline in your work quality because you will have to rush your work to meet the deadline, where it's likelier mistakes and errors will show up in your work. Fifth, challenge yourself to get things done as quickly as possible. In fact, make it into a type of game. See how quickly you can get things done while still producing high-quality work. By turning it into a game or challenge for yourself, you will likely surprise yourself by how quickly you can produce high-quality work. You now know the top 5 ways to avoid procrastination.